Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace your armrest lid cover guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. If you need to replace the leather only, we'll explain what needs to be done as well guys, but stay with us, it's a little complicated, so we'll explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need any parts or tools guys to fix your car, the link will be shared in the description of the video below, and you can get everything for a super good price. Please check it out. So let's start on it and show you how to remove that armrest lid cover, unless if yours is broken, doesn't close, or you need to replace the leather. So let me show you guys what we need to do first. Right here we have two screws that we need to remove. Okay, you can see one coming out. Now second one guys is coming loose. Okay, now right here underneath that flap we need to remove it. Now things get a little bit more complicated, and I will explain in a second why. Because we have the USB cable and the auxiliary cable here guys. So now in order to disconnect them you have to reach from the back, but you cannot reach from the back unless you remove two bolts, and I'll explain where those are now. So removing this one now. Okay, let me just grab those screws and pull them out. Okay, so they're not in the way. Okay, perfect. Now guys, let me explain what else we need to do. So now guys, we're going to lift that thing up, but you cannot pull it out, unfortunately. Okay, it's not possible because we have the cables. Okay, the cables for the right there for the USB and auxiliary port as well. So now right here in the back, okay, you just lift it up, and there is two more that we need to remove. Two more screws like that guys. So let me see, or I'll be able to pull it out. No, I will be able, it will come out guys. So once I disconnect them, okay, I'll show you what needs to be done. Okay, let me just grab a screwdriver now to push in here. Okay, you can see that thing comes out. Now how you attach it guys, okay, right here. Okay, let's focus here inside now. That here guys, that black thing, okay, it slides up and down. This is for the USB. Okay, when it comes down like that, okay, you unhook it guys and it comes loose. This thing right here, okay, you just press in here and you pull it out as well, and you can see that thing will come out. So let me show you what to do next. So now we have three screws that we need to remove towards the back with a Phillips screwdriver guys. 1, 2, I just dropped that one. Good thing it's still here. Number 3 now, right here. And the armrest lid should come out. Okay, almost coming out guys. Okay, let me get that bolt loose. Perfect. Now if I come towards the front and pull it out, okay, you can see guys, the armrest lid came out of the car just like that. So that's how you guys remove the armrest lid cover on Chevy Cruze. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that repair. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, let us know. If you just need to remove the cover only, that cover right here, without actually the whole disassembly, you can do that as well and replace the leather piece only. We have the video on the channel. You have to remove the screws, take it apart, and you will be ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.